Boys, we got another one. I don't know how it keeps happening. I was up super early this morning for absolutely no reason on a Sunday, and I just happened to open Facebook, and on Everything Stand-Up Jet Ski, someone shared, it's either a laser jet or a Viper. I don't know the difference, but somebody shared one of those on the group and was like, hey, this just popped up on Marketplace. And
in 1 mile, turn right on
I didn't think anything of it, and I just clicked on it, and sure enough, it was an hour away. So $500. I don't even know. I'm trying to get out of the vintage game. Like, that's my goal. I want to go to a freestyle ski, but these skis just keep popping into my hand, like popping right into my lap. So it's like, all right, boys, this PJS Thunder Jet followed me home today. I really don't know too much about it, but I have not seen a single one of these for sale ever. So for $500, I couldn't pass it up. I was actually up super early this morning, and somebody shared it on a Facebook group, and I was like, oh, it's probably not near me, but clicked on it anyways, and sure enough, it was an hour away. So the guy told me, hey, you got 2 hours to come pick it up, or I'm going to the next person in line. So I got in the car and I was on the way, and here she is. So I'm at the car wash. We're gonna clean it up a little bit and see. Want to clean her up, get some of this goop off, and see how pretty she is under there. It's just been sitting in a field for 5 years. Look at the difference. Ooh, baby. My friends, I don't know about you, but this is what I call a barn find. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. It doesn't even, like, some reupholstery and some turf. What else does she need? Because I already know it's gonna run, knock on wood. All right, boys, I ran out of quarters. That's how she's looking now, though. Don't worry, I'll show you the engine bay soon. Need to figure out about this little film here. But man, she's clean. I'm gonna use some Gooby Gone and try to clean this up. I just didn't want to spray right there, and I sprayed the bond line, and it didn't. Seems like the graphics are holding up, so I'm pretty happy, guys. All right, let's take it home, see if we can start her up. I just cleaned it out, used some degreaser. I didn't get to clean it as much as I would have liked. That's where like the battery tray is. I guess there was a piece of rubber there, but like, look how white that is right there. I just did like one quick pass on it. Still some dirt down in there, but I think this thing is gonna take like probably 5 or 6 good baths before she's like as clean as it needs to be. But she's already showing her colors, so I'm really excited on what it's gonna become. Like, look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna put a battery in. It's got like a 1/4 tank of bad fuel in it, but man, I love it when people don't lie. He said that it ran 5 years ago whenever he parked it. There shouldn't be any issues, and he would be amazed if it didn't start. I'm not gonna start it, but look at this. This is a good sign. Woo-wee! Yeah, I'd say that's 5 years old. All right, just put a little fuel in. Let's see if she starts. She kicked over. Oh, baby. She wants to purr. Let's keep trying. So it's the next day, and I've decided to pull the motor and completely freshen it up. You know, I was just kind of sitting there and I'm like, man, this is a really rare motor. There's absolutely no reason for me to take this after it's been sitting for 5 years and to try to just go run it. Like, I need to do this right. I need to pull the motor. I need to, you know, get some new hardware. I need to powder coat all of this, get it looking good, new seals, new gaskets, rebuild the carb, just to make it last, you know? So we're gonna end the video there. That's gonna be part 1. Man, I'm in love with this ski, so I'm gonna get everything ordered, I'm gonna get everything pulled, and we're gonna get this thing back on the water. So stay tuned, and we'll be riding this thing soon. See ya.